down here already. Okay, so his head is down here, and we're just elbowing straight into the head. Straight into the head. Boom. Okay?
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
You're still in a good frame, and as you load your rear and step forward, okay? So just load the rear leg, push, push, push. So recocks each time. Hit, hit.